Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to add your Capital One Savor card to Google Pay. If you're tired of fumbling with your wallet during checkout, this quick setup will let you make contactless payments with ease. It's a game changer for everyday shopping, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. It's free from the Google Play Store, and your Capital One Savor card details handy. Also, ensure your card is activated through the Capital One app or website. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. If it's your first time, you might need to sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on the Payment or Cards section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Look for an option that says Add a card or payment methods. Step 3. Select Add credit or debit card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, so go ahead and input your Capital One Savor card number, expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Step 4. Google Pay will ask for your billing address and might run a quick verification. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. After entering the info, Google Pay will verify the card through Capital One. This could involve a small temporary hold or a text confirmation. Keep an eye on your phone or Capital One app for that. Step 6. Once verified, your card will be added. You can now set it as your default payment method if you want. Test it out by making a payment at a nearby store to ensure it's working smoothly. A quick tip. If you run into any errors, like a verification failure, check that your Capital One account is up to date or contact their support. This whole process should only take about 5 minutes, and you'll wonder how you lived without it. There you have it. That's how you add your Capital One Savor card to Google Pay. It's all about making your life easier and more efficient. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.